What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Out here at Snowy Ranch today up in Wyoming. This year decided not to do any epic pass stuff, so there will be no Keystone Breckenridge, but we've got some power today. Should be pretty good. Lift's just open, so see you guys at the top. And he fell third. And he fell again. All right, let's go. Nice and easy. Wow! Fucking hit ice. Rocky.
Did that getting off the roof last
time? Beautiful execution. Do a flip. Do a jump, do a jump, do a jump, do a jump. Nice. He's like, shut up, dude, shut up. I'm gonna walk the fuck in right now. Cons. Cons.
Well, you're kind of not in the right spot. But it's kind of hard, so...
Hey, this is good snow.
Really, keep going. Keep going to the green.
What green? Oh.
It's so slow. Yeah, we're not taking the time.
I'm dug in!
You can go down this if you want. Alright, now go left. Right.
Yeah, don't go left. You're gonna send him down a fucking chute down there. Yeah, he's not doing bad. Huh? Yeah.
It's really hard to get here.
Huh?
It's really hard to get here.
What do you mean?
It's a green, but it's so hard to get to.
Yeah. He's right on that side. yeah! Okay. All right, not bad. That's actually a good line. That's probably the best edge I've seen you hold on that board. You gotta lean more forward. You're doing it like this. When you come off, you're literally like that. You're like front of the board's like fucking like up. Try not to hit you. Hey, fuck you! Fuck you, bitch! Hey! What the fuck? That shit twists so hard. Oh, shit! He might need some milk. Grab it, Sam. Oh, yeah. Ooh, he carving. Let's see the carves. Let's see the toe carves. Now go to toe. Oh, you slowed down too much there. It's good to have a little bit of speed transitioning your... Dude, it's kind of fun to watch. It's like when we were learning all over again. Oh, it's funny. He almost got it. It was very small. All right, boys, time to catch up. Bravo 6, I'm on your anus. No thanks. Holy shit! No! I tried. I had no speed. I was so slow.
I barely had enough speed to like pop, and
What the fuck? I hit the fucking tree! Oh god, that would have been so bad. That was almost really, really bad. Ow! Ow, dude, crap! Ow! That hurts so fucking bad. What you had? Normal?